Hello everyone, welcome to the market outlook for the week. Gaurang Shah here from Geojit Financial Services. Our earlier interaction, we did mention that there could be days of profit booking. We did see that profit booking coming 1 or 2 odd days, but there was buying visible at lower levels. There could be a little bit of profit booking again, replicating what we saw last week, and there could be buying coming in at lower levels. For all those short term, medium term traders, it's only prudent to take money home. If you really want to trail the upside, at least put part profits, put profitable stop losses in the system, and then trade the market in case if you want to maximize your profits. And for long term investors, I think patience is the virtue, and you do get profit booking on 1 or 2 odd days, then I think you should definitely add on to the investments that you already have, either direct or via mutual fund, SIPs, etc., or a lump sum investments. On the data points, well, we did see last week US data come in, which was supportive for the markets. Fourth quarter earnings continue to deliver. We saw Tata Motors numbers last week. Company has come in green and expect the momentum to continue with volume growth, both on the high-end premium segment, JLR, that is Jaguar Land Rover, as well as passenger car vehicles, and push from the CV segment as well. Karnataka state election result going in favor of Congress, and thumping kind of a majority over the last maybe about 1 or 2 decades or maybe more, has not really impacted the sentiments in the markets. That's good to see. But there are certain data points that we'll have to watch out for. First one will be the CPI number. Expect the CPI number to be multi-quarter, multi-year low. That's going to be a huge supporter. We saw the IFP numbers last week. The only joker in the pack is the impact of El Nino on monsoon, and how does that impact the inflation numbers as far as food inflation is concerned. Other than that, friends, I think everything seems to be going our way. Hope that there are no unpleasant surprises either from the domestic or global arena in form of news flows, and then momentum will continue. But as I mentioned, we expect a little bit of profit booking on odd days like we've seen over the last week or 2 weeks or a fortnight, and then market should possibly see the momentum coming back and buying coming in at lower levels. As always, we give you certain investment ideas on the fundamental side from a long-term perspective, and we expect that investment from a long-term time horizon is the best way to approach equity markets, or you decide on a good mutual fund and choose to do a SIP or a lump sum investments. With that objective in mind, we have two investment ideas from the broader markets. One is from the FMCG company. This company is not really spoken about. It's a South-based company. It used to be a rather South-based company. But over the years, because of good business strategy and ability to scale pan-India, they have shown some tremendous growth on the earnings front as well. The name of the company is Jyothy Laboratories. It was earlier known as I mentioned, typically South-based driven company, but because of new product, new market share, the numbers have improved to a great extent. So first investment idea is Jyothy Laboratories. The second one is from the EV segment. Again, a company that has not been spoken much, but we have found out that this company has ability to grow tremendously. And with the proposal to the government by the committee to do away with diesel vehicles in the next maybe 4 or 5 years, and to concentrate more on electric vehicles, especially from state government and central government as far as state transport authority is concerned. We like this particular company. The name is Olectra Green Tech. This company has seen sizable amount of order book growth, and the earnings also has been quite impressive. We've recently come out with a buy recommendation on this particular company, Olectra Green Tech. So there are two investment ideas, friends, on the fundamental side. I'd once again like to repeat, these are fundamental long-term investment ideas. You need to have 1.5 year or more kind of a time horizon if you want to earn a meaningful return from both these companies. Don't put all your money at one time. Start with a small amount of 25-30% of whatever amount you want to invest. And as and when you get corrections, dips, go on adding to the stock from a long term perspective. Thank you very much for your patience hearing, and I'll see you again next week. Till then, please do take care of yourself.